Ladies and gentlemen, after way too much time and effort, I present to you the super, super, super hard to press Atemi Brown. Like, literally, it requires so much force to press one of these things. And that's because I took one of the springs. It's probably about 500 grams out of a old clicky pen, and put it in there. And so compared to a normal Atemi Brown, which is literally just like this, if I were to just take this keycap off here, what we've got is this. So this is our super heavy one, and this is our not super heavy one. And we're gonna go like this. Yeah, you can see just how much force it takes to press this in. Like, let's try and get a better angle for you. Like, yeah, it's quite chunky. I wouldn't want that on my keyboard anytime soon.